I wasn't interested in science. At first I had no idea what I wanted to do, and when I came here it really jump-started my knowledge of science and helped me become who I am today.
There are probably few programs as impactful as Honeywell Summer Science Week on changing the trajectories of young children. We're looking at the geology of the watershed, we're looking at the environmental conditions along the creek, we're looking at the change in quality of water from the headwaters all the way to the lake.
Honeywell Summer Science Week at the most definitely gave me some confidence in science and what I wanted to pursue. It definitely made me more knowledgeable as well.
Summer Science Week was awesome for me because I finally got away from the textbooks in the classroom and did a lot of hands-on activities with Onondaga Lake.
You'd think science was just like being in a lab. The reason I like this because it's more hands-on activities.
As we've heard for years, there's a real need for students to study the STEM disciplines.
Summer Science Week is definitely a great opportunity for students. They finally get a chance to get away from a classroom setting and get their hands dirty working with Onondaga Lake.
It really helped me to broaden my knowledge of science. I thought at first that scientists just work in a lab, and they don't. They work in the field.
We also discovered that a high percentage of the students who go to this camp have gone on to college.
I recently graduated from the University at Albany with a degree in physics. Since graduating, I've signed on with the U.S. Navy. After I become an officer, I'll work with nuclear reactors on submarines and ships.
Honeywell Summer Science Week at the most definitely gave me some insight as to how much I loved science, and because of that, I'm going to the SUNY College of Environmental Science and Forestry.
I appreciate very much what Honeywell is doing, where they take the young students and introduce them to this living lab and do it in a way that makes science interesting. It's good for everybody.